Can anyone tell me what element this is?
Oh my god.
Throw it at the wall, kick it, drop it, take it, twist it, take it, baby, bop it, take it, baby.
Clean your ass. Clean your ass. You got a dirty ass.
Hello?
When there is no toilet paper,
Yes,
you shall clean your ass later.
Fun fact. You can't feel your tongue when you smile. Look at how cute you are. I got you, sucker. Look at your smile.
I have 2 questions which nobody knows the answer. And I would like to ask you one of the questions. Excuse me, Honorable Sir. Can you spell the word?
Please kindly subscribe, follow, and like the video.